Let's speak about SENS Stock, my friends. What is happening, investors? It is your boy Jack. I am not a financial advisor, and today we have another very hot penny stock to speak about. I just want to premise this video by saying I didn't play these guys yesterday. That's why I didn't bother making the video yesterday. There was some other more important things I wanted to speak about. You can see the ticker symbol is SENS. You can see they went up 30% yesterday, but you can also see that since the 21st of December they're up 267%. They have a market cap of just under 400 million as of right now. Now these guys provide the world's first and only long-term CGM. This product is called the Eversense, and Eversense provides continuous blood glucose monitoring for up to 90 days via an under-the-skin sensor. So this is obviously aimed at people with diabetes, my friends. When I was a personal trainer, I trained with a lot of people. I trained a lot of people who had diabetes. I have family who have diabetes. I have friends who have it. And I understand that it's pretty annoying to live with. Now, I did look into these guys initially yesterday, and the first thing I want to say is that this technology sounds absolutely incredible. Of course, we're going to speak a bit more about the company. We're going to have a look at the investor presentation. We'll have a look at their most recent 10Q. What I want to say is I love the product, but I have been hearing about such products for at least 4, 5, 6 years at this stage. And right now, pretty much everybody still has to do the same thing. They have to prick their finger to get the blood, look on the monitor, and that tells them. So I want to premise it by saying I love the technology, and I really hope it works, and I hope they get full FDA approval, etc, etc. But I've seen this cycle happen a few times even before I was involved in stocks. So that's what we're going to be speaking about today, my friends. Right before we get into the video, can I please ask you to hit that juicy like button? I'd love for you to drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you played this yesterday or even a couple of days ago. Did you buy any shares? Are you holding? Did you sell? And please, my friend, if you are indeed new around here, hit that juicy red subscribe button. Also, if you're interested in joining my private Discord group, that's the first link in the description, baby. In there, you get access to all of my buy and sell alerts. We have been swinging some juicy penny stocks as of late. We called OEG at 148 a while ago. I've personally swung them twice. I know I have some people holding it long in the Discord, making a lot of money. Just yesterday we called these guys in there when they were at about $3 pre-market. A lot of people made some juicy money. We've played 2 or 3 other ones over the last week. Our hit rate has been beautiful. We've eaten them baguettes. You get all my buy and sell alerts. There's nearly 1,400 people in there. There's over 50 private channels. So much information. And if you want 4 free stocks on Webull, that's the second link in the description, my friends. You have to sign up, deposit $100. You get 4 free stocks, 2 of which have added up to $3,700 each. So these guys are the pharmaceutical company behind the Eversense CGM system, what we just spoke about. It's a sensor for patients with diabetes that is placed under the skin. The sensor is long-term and a rechargeable transmitter is placed above it to receive data. And you can go for about 90 days at a time when using the device to monitor your glucose levels. Of course, there is an app involved that patients can download on their smartphones, and you get literal real-time tracking of your glucose levels, which is absolutely incredible, truly incredible. They are currently working on a 180-day version of the same system. However, it's waiting for approval from the US Food and Drug Administration, the FDA, okay, what we always have to speak about when we're in these penny stocks, especially the biopharma ones, before it can launch the product. Its application approval was delayed due to the current focus on applications related to the novel Roni. The company said earlier this week it expects the application to be approved by the end of Q2 of this year, so pretty much within 6 months. So this right here is what it's all about, okay, the Eversense CGM system. The first and only long-term continuous glucose monitoring system, and I just again want to reiterate the fact that I've heard about several of these over the last 4, 5, 6 years, first hand from people with diabetes. So this is the first one that lasts for months as opposed to days, has its implantable sensor, etc, etc. There's a sensor, there's the transmitter, and it goes onto the mobile app. It has on-body vibe alerts for hypo and hyper warnings, which obviously is incredibly important. It has a fresh, gentle on the skin adhesive patch, and it does not require self-insertions. They also have a strategic partnership with a company called Essentia. Now these guys have almost 80 years of innovative diabetes care products. They sell products in more than 125 countries and help approximately 10 million people worldwide every day. They have approximately 1,700 employees with operations in 31 countries and approximately $1 billion in global sales. So obviously, for a company of our market cap, of our size, of our stage of the life cycle, having a strategic partner such as this one is very good. Now here's one thing I'd like to point out: their global net revenue projections, okay? Estimated net revenue range 2021 to 2025 in millions. So you can see 2021 estimates are at $12 to $15 million. And I want you guys to remember as well, we're currently speaking about revenue. So as of right now, the company has a near $400 million market cap. Going off of the aftermarket hours, it is at $400 million. The most recent quarterly report, we had negative 10 cents EPS. The total third quarter revenue was approximately $750,000. This is all in support of the current installed base of Eversense users that is over 5,000 patients. But I mean, $750,000 million of revenue in the quarter. They expect to recognize total revenue at approximately $2.5 million in the fourth quarter. And then they expect global net revenues to be in the range of $12 to $15 million in 2021. So that does obviously show quite considerable growth, but when you look at the EPS and you look at the market cap right now, is there much room for the stock to run? Now the product vision, okay, uniquely differentiated long-term technology solution with multiple product configurations. So one sensor, two products, all patient segments. So no sensor change for 1 year, no daily calibration required, and no transmitter on the body. That's what they're looking to do. Now that is to come down the line, of course. So we already see that they're looking for in 2021 to get FDA approval for the Eversense 180. Then 2023 they're looking for an Eversense 365, so obviously for it to last an entire year. And then 2024 they're looking at a Freedom system. So there is catalyst coming up this year and over the next few years in general. And then they have this in 2024, the Freedom system. So autonomous sensor testing with data processing capacity. The technology is an enhanced Roam 2 sensor with integrated battery and an updated algorithm. So use case, 365 days with 1 cal per week, 2 unique products, CGM with transmitter and FGM without transmitter, or standalone therapeutic FGM without transmitter. The target is intensively managed patients who want better control, plus all insulin using patients, plus non-insulin patients, everybody. So I mean, I love the product and I love the vision, and it's another one of these biopharma stocks that I really want to do well because it will change the world for the better. Very, very much so. When it comes to investing in a company who is at a $400 million market cap, who's not made $1 million in the last quarter, and only expects to make revenues of $12 to $15 million for the entirety of next year, I really don't know if I like the valuation, but I want to remind you guys, this is a penny stock. They don't have to make sense. I could definitely see myself swing trading this one. I expect lots of volatility. There's a lot of people finding out about it. The volume is absolutely huge, but I don't really see myself taking a long-term position in these guys. With that being said, they could do amazing things over the next 3 to 5 years, and I could definitely see this company doing extraordinarily well. But do just remember, guys, I mean, there has been so much biopharma penny stock hype as of yet. A lot of people compare pretty much everything to BNGO at this stage because they did so well. The truth of the matter is that's the single best performing biopharma penny stock that there is right now. Nothing else compares. And the truth to it is that we're probably not going to see another move like that for a considerable period of time. So don't feel like everything's going to go up 500% or 1,000% or even 2,000% over the span of a month or two, because that's not usually how things work. So I really do like the look of these guys. There's just a couple too many red flags for me to feel confident investing right now. Again, trading, yeah, I trade anything. I don't really care about the company, but to actually invest right now, there's a few too many red flags for me personally. And if I miss out, that's absolutely fine. You don't need to be on every single penny stock. As I said, we traded 3 or 4 different ones over the last week and a half, and we've been making that bread, baby. But anyway, my friends, if you watched this video all the way till the end, you are a true legend, and I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Your support means the world to me. If you did enjoy today's video, could I please ask you to hit that juicy like button, drop me that comment down below, and please, my friend, subscribe if you're new around here. And if you are interested in joining that private Discord group, again, that's the first link in the description, my friends. You get all of my buy and sell alerts. That's for all of my long-term investments and my swing trades in real time. Join a community of pretty much 1,400 investors and get access to over 50 private channels. And if you want those free stocks on Webull, that's the second link in the description, my friends. Anyway, guys, I hope you all have a beautiful, blessed day. I'll see you for another video very soon. Peace.